Unity of direction is the fifth principle of Fayol's administrative management theory. This principle says that all the teams of an organization should move towards the same objectives through coordinated and focused efforts. This ensures unity of action and better clarity for all the employees. If the organization has multiple diverging objectives, then there must be separate teams or separate groups working on these different objectives. For example, Omega is a super expensive, high precision luxury watch brand with typically older customers, whereas Swatch is a low priced fashion watch brand typically with the younger customers. Both Omega and Swatch are owned by the Swatch Group. But the objectives of these two brands or these two companies is different. So they are kept separate. Otherwise, employees will be pulled in two different directions. Are we making luxury watches or are we making cheap watches?